Hi there, my name is Joanna King and I'm the top rock and owner of Wish Rock Relaxation. We are live from the Spring 2026 High Point Market in North Carolina. I am in front of the Osaki Apex Duo 5D massage chair. One of the best things about this chair is that it is easily accessible and has side entry. There's a little button on the side and you can open either the left or the right side, and there's an easy side entry into the chair, making it accessible for those with mobility issues, or sometimes I'll show you, but like when you try to get into a massage chair, you're balancing your way into it, and with this side entry you just simply come in and swivel your legs around and then shut the door, which makes it really easy and user friendly. If we come along the side here, I'm going to show you, you've got a wireless charging pad here and then quick controls. Starting at the top, this is your power button, and then you can also control your intensity with the dial, pause your massage, heat, a quick single button for zero gravity, and then control the feet out because it's got an automatic footrest extension, legs up or legs back down, bring the feet in, so feet out and feet in, leg up and leg down, and the backrest up and down, which is a really nice feature. This is a 5D SL track massage chair with a dual track system, which means that the rollers will work at the top of your body, the neck and shoulders and back at the same time as the lumbar, glutes, and hamstrings, which has been around a few years now, but it's really our best technology to give you the most thorough massage experience. The 5D roller mech is unique to the Apex Duo in that it has real-time adjustments to your body, which is even more precise and gives and delivers a very smooth massage experience. One of the nice things about this chair that's a little bit different than its predecessor, the Grand Duo, is the 5D roller mechanism as well as the AI health detector too, which is in the finger well of the right hand armrest. Just to top this off, this chair has 46 auto programs, 6 manual programs, calf rollers, as well as foot rollers in your closed footwell too. The chair is good for people up to 6 feet 3 inches tall and 280 pounds. There's a back pad. The headrest can come off. You can also remove the back pad if you would like a deeper tissue experience, or if you prefer to soften it and dampen it a bit, just put that back pad back down, making it really user-friendly and able to fit people that prefer a deeper tissue massage and those that want a more gentle experience. We've also got Bluetooth speakers that allow you to connect your device, listen to your favorite music, audiobook, meditation, whatever floats your boat. And then over here, there is a USB-C port to make sure you always stay connected. So there's a wireless charging on your left and then a USB on your right. And then we'll take a quick look at the user interface of the remote. One of the things that's cool about this one is that it's a wireless remote, which makes it nice and easy. It's like you're holding a tablet in your hand during your massage experience. And so this health test here would take you through the AI health mode, and it'll check your fatigue level, your pulse, your stress, I think your blood oxygen level as well, and then deliver a program specifically for you. And we also have the opportunity to select a favorite program, and I think you can save up to 9 different programs that you like. And when you have a favorite saved, you don't have to go through the whole body scan and remember what you liked. You just hit that button and it'll take you right to your favorite programs, which is a really nice feature, and all the settings that are your preferences. It's a pretty user-friendly system and allows you to personalize your massage. Several different language options here as well, and I think you'll find it to be very user-friendly. If you found this video useful, please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, Wish Rock Relaxation 7454. Don't be shy, we'd love to hear from you. Feel free to call or text us at 803-574-9474, and we'll be happy to help you however we can. I know that buying a massage chair can feel daunting, and we really genuinely care and are committed to getting you into the very best chair to suit your needs as well as your budget. We are veteran owned and operated out of Golden, Colorado, and family run. We would love to work with you, and I hope to someday welcome you to our Wish Rock family. Thank you.